Here we are, we're on question number 10. It's always worth checking. Each square represents 1 metre square. What is the difference between the square and the triangle? So, here we are. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16 metres squared. This is half that, isn't it? Because it's, if you were to make it into a triangle square like that, you can see it's half. Or if you prefer, you can just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be 16, take away 8 equals, so 16, take away 8 metres squared equals 8 metres squared. So what is the difference in triangle? That is, watch out for that. I know that I would put centimetres square in there as a sneaky trick. Why wouldn't you?